So you just received your new ADDVISOR, and I know you're looking forward to two-direction sun protection. The ADDVISOR is a great enhancement to your car's standard sun visor system. Let's see what's in the box. A mounting rail, extra piece of adhesive, microfiber cleaning cloth, a scraper just in case you need to remove the adhesive, alcohol prep pad, polarizer test card, and the ADDVISOR, along with the instructions. Let's go to the car and I'll show you how to install it. A great thing about the ADDVISOR is how easy it is to install. The first thing we need to do is to find out where to put the mounting rail which attaches to the windshield. Two things to be aware of. Mount it close to the headliner and align it to the center of the steering wheel. Use the included alcohol prep pad and clean the spot where the mounting rail will be attached. Make sure you clean a larger area than you need. Take your mounting rail and align it to the center of your steering wheel. And again, remember, you want to install it 1/4 inch from the headliner. If your windshield has a curve, make sure you're aligning the rail to be horizontal with your eyeline, not the curve of the headliner. Keep in mind you shouldn't install the ADDVISOR in extreme cold temperatures. Take the mounting rail and peel off the plastic to expose the adhesive. Be careful not to touch the adhesive, so hold it by the sides. Use your index finger to help judge the gap between the headliner and the rail. Remember, it's important that the rail not be mounted any more than 1/4 inch from the headliner. Double check once again that the rail is horizontal with your eyeline and attach it to the top edge first. Then fold it onto the window and apply pressure. This will help align the rail and avoid air bubbles in the adhesive. Once the rail is adhered to the windshield, press it firmly for 30 seconds. Wait at least 1 hour for the adhesive to set. Hold the ADDVISOR with the tinted shade facing towards you. Twist to open both cam locks as you would unlock a window in your home. Starting from the right side, hold the ADDVISOR so the edge of the mounting bracket lines up with the mounting rail and slide it on. Once it's attached, center the ADDVISOR where it's most comfortable and twist both cam locks to secure it. Fold it up against the car visor and stow it away until you're ready to drive. With the ADDVISOR in place, you now have protection from the sun in two directions, and it's simple to use. Pull down the ADDVISOR and position the car visor against the driver's side window. You now have two-direction sun protection from the glare. After this simple installation, you're ready to enjoy the comfort of two-direction sun protection. And it's safer too. No more duck and flip distractions, taking your eyes off the road.